During the pandemic, we got caught down in Tasmania, so we decided to move to the east coast in Helens. It was a pretty good place to just wait it out for a while. But while we were there, we were in the Caravan park. It was pretty run down, so we decided to help them out and improve their park. So this is the entry. We painted the bottom of the bowsers, we painted their sign, we just freshened it up. We trimmed all the trees all the way down their driveway to make it easier for them for later on. So they're all at the height of the fence now. We painted all the tables and the chairs and even the concrete on the ground. We've also painted the fence. The colours that we used were a beach colour with the red thrown in just to give it a bit of a spark. This garden here, we've actually extended it and widened it and then planted new plants, so that'll screen up and then cover those garbage bins there. So again, down the side, we just trimmed everything all the way down so it looks great. They won't need to touch this for probably another year or so. We've also gone inside the park and trimmed all the trees, the gardens inside the area as well. We were lucky enough to have a hedger. It would have taken us forever if we had to just use normal shears. Now this is the other entry for the park. We've painted the gas bottles a red colour just to make them stand out and just freshen the place up. We added a few more plants as well into these gardens. Would have liked to have painted the fence the cream and blue colour like out the front, but we just didn't have time. Now this was a massive job down here. We had to prune all of these trees down really low. They're photinias. They'll come back in the springtime, but we did have to do it quite harsh. We also replaced the fence along here. We put a timber edging in so that they could whippersnipper along that, and then it stops the grass from growing into the garden as well. We mulched the whole garden. There's actually 56 metres of this area, so that was a massive job. Another big job that we actually did as well were the ladies' bathrooms. So they were pretty disgusting. They were yellow and blue in colour. We changed the colours to a greeny colour, which matched the tiles in the shower cubicles. So this freshened it up, made it look so much better. The windows were a big job. We had to pull all the louvers out and sand them all back so that we could paint them white, but they've come up really great now. Overall, we were here for 4 months. It was all voluntary, but we also didn't have to pay rent, so that was a bonus for us.